How to get the most out of our program at the best budget. We have three options. You can either do what's called resident mentoring, which are people for general basic issues. I'll explain them in a moment. We have master level mentoring, which would be with me for more advanced issues. And then you have a do-it-yourself kind of system where I'm going to teach you in 13 one-hour classes how to mentor your child at home. All of these are great. It really depends on what you need. If there's not too many major issues and it's in your budget, you could just start with our how-to program. It'll help you even if you work with us. And the first class is how to be heard by listening, what's called dynamic communication. And there's also a part about getting your child on board for mentoring, which is great if you're trying to get your child to do work with us. If you can get them to do it, don't even bother with that. Jump right to it. But if you're not sure, you can take that first class and it really will help you a great deal. All of my parents have said they love that course. We have resident mentoring. These are what we call first degree issues. So there's mild anxiety, there's mild depression, there's dealing with issues at school or at work, anger issues. So if they're general stuff, there's not major addictions going on, there's not major self-sabotage going on or major mental health, and there's no Asperger's involved. First degree mentoring, resident mentoring, may be just right for you, and that's $475 a month once a week and $795 twice a week. If it's in your budget, it really behooves you to start with twice a week and then graduate to once a week, but it depends on your budget. For me, it's the same idea. I work with all the mental health issues. I work with people on the autistic spectrum. I work on people who have major anxiety, major depression, schizophrenia, you name it. I'm there to do that. When everything has failed, we're the people you call. And once a week with me is $11.95, twice a week is $23.95. If it's not in your budget, really consider for $2.99, you can do the course and you'll learn so much. It's based on what I give people who want to become professional mentors to truly understand these people who live online, these Gen Z, who have a different way of thinking. And I think you'll find it very profound. Whichever one you pick, you've made it here. You're serious about looking for help for your child. Good on you for going all the way through, for doing the research. It's a very good sign you are going to do well.